Hi everyone! And for today's video, let's do a first to second week of July tarot reading para sa Capricorns. So it's Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising, and even Saturn placements in Capricorn. This video might be for you. Ano ang guidance and blessings na para sa iyo this first to second week ng July. Let's see. Capricorns. Holy Spirit. Higher self. And let's see. And before we proceed, I would like to say thank you sa lahat ng new subscribers, followers, and of course ng mga nagpapa-private reading sa akin. And I'm more active sa TikTok, but yung mga zodiac sign focus reading, no contact reading, singles, and other collective readings ay posted po sila sa ating YouTube channel. So don't forget to follow, subscribe para updated. Thank you. This is for Capricorns again. First to second week of July. Blessings and guidance for you guys. What's in it? Last shuffle. We got five of cups. Hindi ko na masabing 5 of pentacles. Capricorns, ano ang meron for you this first to second week ng July? The Hierophant. The Wheel of Fortune. Changed of heart, changed of career, yun ang naririnig ko. What else? Queen of Cups, Ace of Cups, King of Swords, the Lovers, the Hanged Man, last card, and Six of Swords. Okay, this is a reading again for the sign of Capricorn. Para sa iyong first to second week ng July, ano ang blessings and guidance for you? Let's check. While nag-shuffle ako kanina, naririnig ko yung changed of heart, and biglang bumalik sa utak ko yung kanta ng the 1975, if you're familiar with that band. Meron silang song na Changed of Heart. Pwede niyo yung pakinggan, baka may message for you there. And, or maybe you're a fan of that band. Isa sa mga sikat na songs nila is The About You, or song. And, ayun. There's also a change of direction here, maybe. This first to second week ng July, meron kang pagbabago sa plano mo sa buhay, sa iyong career, sa iyong emotions towards your person right now. And for some of you here, meron din ako nakikitang may pinipigil kang communication or sabihin towards the people around you, towards your person. This is a love and career reading, so take what resonates. And I can also see there's also a huge transformation coming in, or maybe ikaw ay nakakaranas ngayon or maaring makaranas ng transformation, especially when it comes to your physical and mental. Kung dati ikaw ay madalas alam mo yung padalos-dalos mag-isip kung ano yung agad na pumapasok sa isip mo, kaagad mo siyang gagawin. Right now, ang nakikita ko dito, pwedeng mas maging ano ka, mas maging mapanuri ka sa mga decision making mo, mas maging, iko-consider mo siya ng maraming beses bago ka mag-take into actions. Although, halos lahat ng elements, ang water, ang air, at ay andito. Ang missing, even the earth elements, which is element mo, ay andito. Ang nakikita ko dito is missing ka ng wands or ng action. Wands is, isa sa mga energy ng wands ay to take actions. Maybe you are in this kind of path na parang lahat ng ito ay pinaplano mo pa lang. You have to take actions to it para magkaroon ka ng result sa mga plano mo. Yes, your emotions and your mental or logical sense ay andun. Alam mo yung dine-daydream mo siya, pero hindi ka masyadong nagte-take actions. You have to take actions and see the results na nasa isip or bine-visualize mo. For some of you here, when it comes to love naman, you are sitting, andun ka pa rin sa regret maybe may mga nangyari sa past relationships mo na dahil sa padalos-dalos mong kilos, nagkaroon ka ng pagsisisi and still in a deep regrets. Maaring yung stable na relationship na yon ay nasayang mo dahil sa biglaang desisyon na ginawa mo. And for some of you here, still, this is a love energy pa rin ang nakikita ko. Maybe you are with someone right now na parang hindi nagkakaroon ng pagbabago in a positive way yung relationship mo, kaya medyo napag-iisipan mo. Pwedeng magkaroon kayo ng separation with your person. Kung single ka naman, pwedeng mas mag-focus ka muna sa self mo, like not in a way na that kind of traditional self-love way. Alam mo yung may mga person around you na nagpapahiwatig pero mas pipiliin mo munang mag-isa, like in a zen mode ka muna. And if you're in a relationship naman, alam mo yung mag-partner kayo pero you're not satisfied, you're transforming, and maaaring isa sa inyo ng person mo is nag-grow na at parang nararamdaman mong kahit anong sabihin mo sa person mo, you're not growing with her. Maybe maring magkaroon kayo ng discussion about it. And ito lang, before hitting the separation road, yung makikipaghiwalay, pag-usapan nyo muna ng maayos ito. Lahat ay madadaan naman sa usapan, and make sure na both of you and your person ay magkaroon ng clarity sa kung ano man ang outcome na gusto ninyo parehas dito sa relationship na to. For some of you here, if you're planning na lumabas ng bansa, I can also see a positive energy here. And another message na nakikita ko dito, you will have a lot of contemplating energy. Sa first to second week ng July, mas maaring mag-reflect ka pa, mas maaring mas mag-grow ka pa dahil sa reflection ng ginagawa mo. So, this is your reading, Capricorn. If naka-resonate, don't forget to comment and subscribe. Thank you!